Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to explore the BCG Digital Transformation Job Simulation. It is available on the Forest platform. And friend, if you are a student or a fresher looking to build a practical business skills, strengthen your resume, and you understand how consulting actually works, this video is for you. So you have the question that what is the Forest? So first let's understand the Forest platform. Friend, Forage is an online platform that offers a virtual job simulation designed by top companies like BCG. And now, what does job simulation means? It means instead of just learning theory, you actually perform tasks similar to what professionals do in real jobs. So this is not a course where you just watch videos. You actively solve business problem here, and you will gain the practical experience here. So, friend, if you don't know about the BCG, that is a Boston Consulting Group, and it is one of the top global consulting firms. And Friend, consultants at BCG help companies to solve their complex business problems like increasing their revenue, improving customer experience, and adopting new technology. This simulation is just designed to give you a realistic glimpse into that work. So you can see here the job simulation topic, that is a digital transformation. So what is a digital transformation? So friend, it is a using technology to improve business processes and customer experience. For example, a coffee shop launching a mobile app. Then a second example you can see like adding online ordering using customer data to give personalized offer. So it is about making a business smarter using technology. So talking about in this job simulation, or you can see the internship, you have to perform the multiple tasks to get this type of certificate. And friend, this certificate you can add in your resume. So how you will get it? So we will discuss now. So for getting this certificate, you can see here multiple tasks are listed which you have to perform. So I will give a small summary of this task. So friend, you will be work on a case study of company called you can see here that is Coffee Co. And their problem is that their store sales are declining. And what will be your role? You are the part of a consulting team, and your job is to analyze the problem, suggest digital solutions, and improve customer engagement and sales. This is exactly how real consulting projects works. So you can see here the multiple tasks are here given. Like in the task one, you can see that is a market research. So you will be study how other companies use digital tools like apps and loyalty programs, and you will learn like you will research, help you understand what already works in the market. Then task two, that is you can see here task two is a use case development. So here you will suggest a feature for mobile app like reward ordering and personalization, and you are thinking like a business strategist here. So you can check in detail about this task. You can see here the details are given. Now talking about the task three, that is an impact assessment and prioritization. So you will do the review of various app features suggested by the Coffee Co. And for that, you have to complete a quiz to determine the impact and priority of each features using assessment criteria. Talking about the task 4, friend, task 4, that is economics. So here you can see here what you have to do. Here you have to assess the effectiveness of the new features, when it is a good or bad, and you have to analyze and report on the pilot test results. And talking about the task 5 here, that is a scaling. So how the BCG employees work in the agile environment, you will learn here, and various agile methods by using the Trello software. So you have heard about the various types of software like Jira and Trello. So you will be study here the Trello. In the task 6, you can see here that is a project recap. So you have to recap the key concepts you have covered in this simulation, and then you have to complete a short quiz. And again in that finish line, that is you have to upload the whatever task you have to done, and then you will get this type of certificates. So talking about the what types of skills you will develop in this simulation. So like you can see market research, information synthesis, then categorization. You can see the PowerPoint presentations, brainstorming, prioritization, financial modeling, research ability. So all these type of things you will learn here, and these are highly valuable in consulting, management, and corporate roles. And friend, one of the best part of this program is that you will get the certificates and you will get the sample answers from the BCG experts, and this will allow you to compare your thinking, professional consulting thinking, that is extremely powerful for learning. So if you have the question like who should do this simulation, so if you are the engineering students, BBA, BCom, MBA student, freshers preparing for the corporate jobs, and anyone interested in consulting or business strategy. So friend, how you will do the registration? Before that, if you are not subscribed our channel InfoRosan yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, jobs and internship, and technology related videos. So please subscribe InfoRosan. And so let's talk about the how you will do the registration. For that, you have to open the link which I have given in the video description box. Then you have to click on this start free simulation. Then this type of page will come. So here you have to enter your email ID and you have to click on this create free account, and then this type of window will come here. So here you have to provide your name, your last name. You have to create one password. You have to create a date of birth. And after providing all these details, you have to review once and you have to agree and join. Your account will be created and this job simulation will be added in your profile from where you can access it and get the certificates. And if you have any query regarding this job simulation, please comment on the video. We will definitely answer your question.